Ladies and gentlemen, Para, we have assembled here today to discuss various problems relating to the children's education in India. This meeting is the first of its kind in our country. Experts on children's education all over India have come here to offer their expert opinion on the subject. It is indeed my privilege to welcome the members not only to this very important meeting but also to this garden city of India. I am sure you will enjoy the climate of this city. It is good that the authorities have selected of this city which has an ideal atmosphere for this conference. Para, at this meeting, we have to consider the problems facing the children's education and suggest improvements. I request all the teachers to offer their suggestions for the improvement of this branch of education. We have to take into account three aspects while considering this subject: the family background of the child, the parents, and the teachers will have to cooperate with each other in bringing up the children. Para, it is unfortunate that some parents consider that their duty is over if they just admit their children to the school. They do not care to meet the teachers thereafter. They will not know whether their children go to the schools daily. They do not bother to know their progress. The parents should see that their children get up at the right time in the morning and help them